guys, John here.
Sharisse.
And we are here at the Olympia in Orlando. Very exciting, first time only. And you know Titan Medical Center had to make a big presence here. So we brought the whole Titan crew, the whole Titan family, some of the fleet down with us, and a whole bunch of giveaways. T-shirts, tank tops, leggings, bags, because we want to show everybody out there a lot of love from Titan Medical Center. Olympia here in Orlando, Florida for the first time ever. In under a month, Dan Solomon, the whole Olympia crew put this together.
Yeah.
Big hats off to them. Huge, huge, huge accomplishments here.
This is the proof what Titan Medical can do. MK677.
There you go.
Potion, Strength Addicts, Titan Medical will have 727-389-322. Come check us out. Channel Side Drive, telemedicine, and we service nationwide.
Michael, to start this bad boy up, we are here. You don't know who I am, John. My beautiful wife, Sharisse. And one of our awesome exclusive Titan Medical Center athletes, Rachel Daniels, aka
and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
Olympia 2020 is officially in the books. Titan Medical Center came out, we represented to the fullest, gave away a ton of free Titan gear, connected with all types of people. Some people we knew, a lot of people we didn't know, so some new people we got to meet today, so it was awesome. This whole weekend was just been great. What do you think?
I think we've met quite a few new faces, which was a lot of fun. But we came here and we conquered.
That's right.
That's what we did with
all
all of our team, and
That's
it was
right.
a blast.
That's right. The team came out, represented awesome. Titan family was here in full effect. Very proud of them. All the athletes, even especially Rachel Daniels, who actually competed in the Olympia.
In the whole world?
7th in the whole world. So big shout out to her. Big shout out to the whole Titan team. My man Jay Jacobs behind there in art, getting all the footage and all the content for us. We appreciate them as well. So guys, stay tuned for all the behind the scenes content and some new stuff that maybe you haven't seen. So stay tuned. We appreciate you guys supporting Titan Medical Center.